This is Rajendra, Maths faculty from GEC. Today our topic is section formula, which is one of the very important formula. See, we have 2 points A and B, where the C is dividing the 2 points in a proper line with the ratio m is to n. Now, we are finding the point, the C, which divides the AB line in a proper ratio, which is m is to n. The formula evaluation today we are going to learn. So when you see, after forming this graph, we have one perpendicular to the x-axis and we have some parallel lines to the x-axis as well as to the y-axis. We will have 3 triangles over here, which is a triangle ACQ and BSC. These are the 2 triangles where we can see that both are the similar triangles basing on their angles and the properties. Where it is a right angle triangle and this one is also a right angle triangle. And we can, when the 2 triangles are similar, we can apply the side ratio basing on the similarity rule AAA. On basing on that, we can take the ratio of the sides, which is AC by BC, means AC by BC by AQ by CS, means see AQ by CS. Just we are taking the side ratio as well the third side, which is CQ by BS, by taking the proportion of the side ratios. Here the formula I have made it for the purpose of to find out a y coordinate of the C, whereas the y coordinate will comes from this particular formula when you see this one. By taking this ratio, I can apply their side lengths. Like AC is now I am letting as m and BC I am letting as n, where the ratio is already undertaken by assumed. Now AQ, which is nothing, the distance between A and Q will be x minus x1. Whereas when we see A is a x1 minus y1, where the Q is the length of x1, then this x and x minus 1 will be the value x minus 1. But here actually I am planning to find out y coordinate. So I am taking here, when you see the AQ length and the CS length as well CQ by BS. When you take a CQ and BS, their lengths are, this is the length between the CQ and this is the length between the BS. Whereas here the CQ is y minus y1 and BS is y2 minus y. Where just simply I can apply over here by taking the sides, which are, I am just giving a CQ by a BS. So I am taking these 2 categories here, the AC which is m and where BC is a n, and the CQ is a y minus y1 and BS which is a y2 minus y1. By making the cross multiplication, you will get the value exactly to ny2 minus my equal to ny minus n minus ny1. Now after making some simplification, we will get the 2 equal values over, like my plus ny equal to my1 plus my2. Now when we just take a proper ratio and we'll get a y equal to my1, or else you can also write this my2 plus my1 by m plus n by taking the ratio and the proportion. So this is a coordinate of y, where this point C will intersect the AB side. So like this we can also find out x value by taking the same. Then you people can try for the x and get the same, like where we will get mx2 plus mx1 by m plus n, which is equal to x. So you can try that and we'll meet again with a new question or a new process for a best formula. Have a nice day. Goodbye.